Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today I'm making a potato kugel. A kugel, in essence, is a baked casserole, which is starch, egg, and fat. And I wanted to show you how to make a kugel today. So what I've done is I've peeled and I'm shredding some russet potatoes. And then I'm soaking them in some water, just for a couple minutes. There we go. Just get that all in there. So I'm just going to let that soak for a minute. And that's to help draw out some of the starches. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop up some green onion, and this is 2 bunches of green onion. There we go. And then I want to crack 6 eggs into my bowl. Oh, there's a shell. Oh, there's a bigger shell. There we go. And I want to whisk that up. There we go. I want to mix in my green onions. Oh, they smell so good. Let's just get the rest of those. There we go. And to that, I want to add some potato starch. Okay, and I'm going to add some salt and some pepper. And I'm going to mix that up. All right, so now I'm going to take some of the potato and wring it out. And I'm going to add it to my bowl here. There we go. So now I'm going to mix it just to get it really well combined. That looks good. I've preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius, and I've put a skillet pan right in the oven just to get it preheating. And I'm going to pull that out. And I'm going to pour 2/3 of this oil. I want to make sure I don't burn myself. You can see it's already starting to smoke. You can tell it's hot. And this is the sizzle I wanted to hear. Okay. And then I'm going to put... Oh, that sounds so good. Okay, and that looks good. I'm going to drizzle the rest of this olive oil on top. There we go. And I'm just going to spread it out a little bit more with my fingers. And I'm going to put this back in the oven for about an hour. See you in a moment. Wow! Look at that! It looks so good. It's hot. So this kugel took me 70 minutes in my oven. I did cover it partway through just because you can see it was starting to brown and I didn't want it to really brown too much. But it looks gorgeous. It's golden brown right across the top. It's hot. It's best served hot. And I thought there's no better time than now to see what it's like. So I want to slice into it. And it feels nice and soft on the inside. And let's see if I can get a nice big wedge. Oh, look at that. There we go. And then we'll get my lifter. And we'll give it a try. Oh, it's nice and browned on the bottom. I didn't cut all the way through. Wow, there we go. Oh, wow. So let me slide this over. Oh, that looks really nice. Look at the brown on the bottom. Isn't that nice? Oh, it smells really nice. I want to give this a try. Just going to dig right in and enjoy this. I'm hoping it's not too hot. Mmm. 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 Oh, that's really nice. It's soft, it's moist on the inside. It's not starchy or anything like that, because I was like, oh, is it going to be too starchy with all that potato starch that I put in there? But no, not at all. And it was interesting, when I was cleaning up, when this was in the oven, I had a bowl of liquid from the potatoes. And I poured out the liquid, and there was a huge pile of starch on the bottom. And I'm like, why did I put the extra starch in if there's already all that starch? And it's because we have a dry starch versus a wet starch. So this is why we added the dry starch, just to help bind it and bring it together. It's so nice and moist, and I love the crispy top. If you're looking for the instructions or the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Thanks for watching. Crispy top.